Welcome back to Auto Wonder. The all-new 2025 Audi S8 will take you to a world of unmatched luxury and thrilling performance. This flagship sedan is a work of art in German engineering. It blends breathtaking speed, cutting-edge technology, and classic elegance. The 2025 Audi S8 is more than just a car. It's a new way to drive. The 2025 Audi S8 has a strong presence, combining sleek luxury with sporty flair. Its bold, single-frame grille, sharp LED matrix headlights, and smooth aerodynamic lines that run across its body stand out against the black glossy finish. With its low-profile shape and 21-inch alloy wheels, the S8 is a powerful and stylish vision. The chrome accents give it a refined look, making it the right mix of aggression and poise. When you drive the 2025 Audi S8, it feels like an extension of who you are. With Audi's cutting-edge predictive suspension and Quattro all-wheel drive, the car handles smoothly and stays stable in any weather. Adaptive cruise assist, lane-keeping technology, and a 360-degree camera with AI-powered parking assist are some of the more advanced detecting systems. Precision engineering and easy-to-use controls make every turn and move simple. There is a symphony of luxury when you walk inside. The S8's interior has high-quality Valcona leather seats that can be massaged and cooled, as well as ambient lighting that can be changed to 30 different colors. The large digital cabin has 2 touchscreens for entertainment and climate control, which work with Audi's MMI navigation system without any problems. A panoramic sunroof and dual-pane acoustic glass make the space feel calm, and a Bang Olufsen 3D sound system makes the sound experience more real. Every part of the cabin is made to provide the highest level of comfort and ease of use. A 48-volt mild hybrid system works with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine to power the 2025 Audi S8. This engine makes 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, which is very amazing. This engine is more fuel efficient than the last generation, and it only takes 3.8 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The updated engine makes it easy to switch between high performance and eco-friendly driving, so it's a car for all kinds of trips. The 2025 Audi S8 starts at $120,000, which is a great deal for a car in this class. You can make the S8 fit your every need with optional packages that add more comfort and speed. This makes the driving experience truly unique. The 2025 Audi S8 is more than just a car. It shows how ambitious and stylish you are. Performance and luxury meet here, along with new technology and style. The brand new Audi S8 lets you drive the future right now. Visit the Audi store closest to you to experience the best in car technology. The 2025 Audi S8 changes what luxury means.